During this small file for this course, I don't have many customers or vendors or even products, but your company file may be much different. You may have hundreds of items and products and customers. If you want to find something quickly, you can filter the view to only see what you're looking for. I'll click on Customers in the home screen to get into the Customer Center. From here, I can place my cursor in the blank box above the customer list and start typing a name. Click the magnifying glass, and you'll be brought right to that customer or job. Click X again, the filter is removed, and you're brought back to your complete list. It works the same way for vendors, and you can even do this for products. I'm going to close out of this and click on Items and Services on the home screen. At the very top, I have a special box in which I can look for specific pieces of text. I can even specify which field I want to search in. This is useful because many products use things like SKU numbers and manufacturer part numbers, and you could be trying to look for something very quickly that way. It's also useful when you're trying to clean up your product list. Maybe your catalog changes every year. Let's look and see what we have for 16-ounce olive oil. I'll click Search. Everything that matches will show up in this list. So from here, I could right-click on an item and either edit it or choose to make it inactive if we're not selling it anymore. I can click Reset, and it clears the results and shows everything. I could even do this as many times as I have to. I can even narrow down the search. Let's do this one more time, except with 32-ounce. I'll click Search, and this time, I'm going to place a checkbox next to Search within Results. From here, I can come back in my search box, clear it, and type some more. I'll reset this to go back to all my results. Use these filters as often as you can, because when your lists start to grow very large, this could be a great way for you to quickly find exactly what you're looking for.